Let's add some email accounts, and we are going to import multiple accounts. These are going to be, in our situation, SMTP accounts. Click the Import Multiple Accounts button, and then I am going to drop a file. You can see that we have imported these accounts. I'm going to go in and pick some variables where it didn't match them. I'll match sender name. That's our IMAP server, our IMAP port, the SMTP port, and the SMTP server. Import those accounts. Here's one we've already imported. And let's import all of those accounts. These accounts will take a few moments to add. And now all of those accounts have been imported successfully, and you can go into the accounts section and you should be able to see all of those accounts added. It's going to go through a process where it's going to be checking deliverability, and you can go in and update some of the account details, but I'll give you a tutorial on how to do that. But that's the way to import a bulk list of accounts.